Just check it out. The colors, the golden brown colors, the softness, the way it punch back when you press it. It is so amazing, yummy and delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Susan, back again with another simple and easy recipe on how to use your condensed milk to make cake or plum cake if you have the containers or the wrap for it. So guys, let's pop into this video. You'll be needing 3 eggs, but I'm going to leave every description of it in the description box. You'll be needing 3 eggs. Normally you are supposed to separate the white from the yolk of the eggs, but because I wasn't having enough of time, so I just put everything in the bowl and mix them everything. So I wasn't having enough time. If not, in the right procedure, you are supposed to do it that way. But all the same, the end point is to make it creamy, mixed well, and have a nice cake. So I broke my egg. I added them in the bowl, which later I changed the bowl because I noticed it was a little bit too small. I added my butter. The butter it wasn't a frozen butter, so that is why I didn't defroze it. So if you want, you can just melt it with the fire. I won't advise you to melt it in the microwave. You just melt it on the fire with the help of you double cook it, a kind of heating. This is my condensed milk. That is a can of 370 grams. So I used everything. I added little, then I added little. I didn't add everything at once, so I used everything. As you can see, it is a little bit rough because the condensed milk, the egg, it's a bit rough. I'm adding some drops of vanilla extract to it. Even if it's rough, don't worry, you're going to get a very creamy mixture when you use an electric mixer. I'm going to add 20 grams of baking powder. So what I'm going to do, I just went ahead and mix. I mix it. It wasn't easy mixing, so I started with the number 1, then gradually I increased the speed of the mixer, because the faster it is, the better your mixture will come out well and be well mixed. So guys, before I continue, I just want to say thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the growing team. Please always do subscribe with your notification bell. That is the support you can give to my channel. Thank you and God bless you. I just added my cornstarch to it and I continue mixing. The grams of everything I use, I'm going to leave them on the description box, so do check it out. As you can see, I changed the bowl because I noticed the first bowl was a little bit too small. So I just went ahead and mixed everything. But when you are doing this, be very careful so you won't split the flour over everywhere. I added the rest of the flour, then I continue to mix. While I was doing this, I preheated my oven at 200. But if you want to cook this, if you want to bake this, you have to bring down your oven heat to 150. That is the way you can have a very cooked cake without getting burnt. If it is too high, it will burn and it will not get, the inside will not be done. So to check if your cake is done, you have to go in with a toothpick, a stick or a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it is done. If it comes out with the sticky, or you can see see your cake, your mixture on it. No, it is not done. You have to continue. That is why you cook at 150 degree for 30 minutes. So you are going to cook it on a low oven heat. All right, my pan is well preheated, well greased. So I just put the mixture on it with the help of a spatula. I try to make it as flat as possible, straight to the oven. All right, this is the final look back from the oven. This is the final look of my cake. It is super yummy. The whole family love it. With little, you win the heart of the family. All right, guys, thank you for watching this far, and God bless you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share my channel if you have an active platform. I did really appreciate you. Thank you. Until next time I come across your beautiful screen. I'm Susan, alias EA Beatrice. Stay blessed and be guided. Bye, bye, bye. Love you. See how it bounces back. Look at it. Look at it. Look. This is wow. It is a good idea for breakfast. Kids snacks. You can even use it. The whole family loves it. Bye.